Hi, I'm Simon from Adonit Ferret, and today I have a different video for you guys. I have a stylus pen for touchscreens in front of me, which is pretty special. So this is the Adonit Pro 3 Precision Disc Stylus. So as you can see, it has a disc on the bottom, and that's used for something pretty special. So the pen tip is replaceable, but the disc is not removable. So I really like the design of this pen. It's full metal, the weight is very good. And the magnet over here, as you can see, is pretty strong. Really like that. Right, so the special thing about this pen is that it has this disc tip, as you can see. So it's a flat disc, and this is used for some more precision writing on the tablet itself. And as you can see, you can move your pen while the disc is still flat on the table. So the main reason why the disc is on here is because it adds stability, and it also makes sure your writing is more precise than a regular pen or than your finger, for example. So I'm going to take my iPad and let's see if it's any good. So I'm going to write something over here. Hi, this is Simon. So as you can see, my fingers are pretty big, so I'm going to try that again with the pen. So as you can see, precision writing is very good, and you also can, of course, make sure you write smaller than you would write with your finger. Alright, so I have to say the precision on this pen is very good. It feels like I'm writing with a real pen on this tablet. But of course the problem is with, for example, an iPad is that you can't put your hand on it to write something, because the tablet doesn't recognize that this is the pen. And that's the most annoying thing. So if I put my arm on here, you can see that's not going to work. But that's the most annoying thing with tablets that don't know that you have a pen. For example, the iPad Pro doesn't have that problem, or the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, for example, together with the Samsung Stylus also doesn't have that problem, because they recognize the pen. They know, oh, the pen is close. I'm only going to look for the pen when it touches the screen, and not for a hand, for example. Alright, but overall I would say the build quality on this pen is pretty nice. I really like it. And it just looks good. It works great, as you can see. It's very detailed. It's very crisp. The stability on the disc, it's a big difference. You have to learn to write with it, because it's a big difference than a regular pen, which it doesn't have a disc like this. But it's precise, it's stable, and it works great. So yeah, the price is good as well, $20 or something. So really cool if you're looking for a pen for your tablet. Alright, if you have any questions regarding the Adonit Pro 3, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your computer screen or behind your phone, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.